No, 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 don't touch my shit, man.
Oh my god, very nice.
There's a fight. You know we got Maniacs World here. You know we're down here at Taksim Square. So we're gonna rip down Istiklal. That's the game plan, guys, here. There, the gimbal will move in a second. This is real time.
How are you?
We're in here real time.
Hi, bro. How are you?
Hey, we're good. We're good.
Hello.
Good. How are you, boss?
I'm a nice place, night club.
Thank you. What do you like?
Right, bro.
I am currently from Switzerland.
Okay, camera is
No, 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 don't touch my shit, man. If you don't want to be filmed, then fucking keep going.
Dalaga.
Right? Don't fucking touch my shit. See, are we gonna have to have another fucking incident? So yeah, no, you decided to come down here. You saw me here, and that kind of inspired you, or?
Absolutely. I've never been here before. It's a place that doesn't have a lot of restrictions as far as travel and the you know what epidemics, etc.
Yeah.
And the tourist was here, so it seemed like the timing just worked. So here I am.
Beautiful. I'm the cameraman. I frame you. Merhaba. Nasılsın?
Merhaba.
You speak Turkish?
No, no, sorry.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Oh, I am Egyptian. Can I take your photo?
Of course.
Sure. Okay, then there.
You're very photogenic. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Perfect. Here's the legs too. Let's just pervert right out for a sec. There's the full frame. Sorry, we got to do it. I'm a guy. Take it easy on me. Come on now.
You send me a message.
Request, probably denied requests. It's probably in the trash folder. Maniac's message, right in the trash folder.
Oh, you live here
Oh,
now.
good for you. You're an actress. Good for you. Yeah, no, I would love to see you in movies. Definitely.
Oh, hello again. Hi. Bye-bye. There's our new Egyptian friend. There she is again. I think she's the star of the show tonight. Definitely the star of the show. We'll see how many times we run into her tonight. Maybe we'll run into her again later.
Oh, hey, dude, there's our first buddy walking around. What are you doing, buddy?
Reminds you of Antalya?
Of what? Oh, yeah, hanging out with my dogs.
That's the first one.
Right?
In the crew.
Yeah. And he's doing okay. This guy's having a good time, just enjoying himself. Yeah, Sherife. Sherife. You got one too?
Slow. Finish. You gonna choke.
Oh,
He's
shit.
gonna choke, man.
Yeah, boy. There we go. See, we got some other hoodlums around here.
Nice to meet you guys. See you later. Have a good night.
See you.
So make sure that you get the official taxis outside in front of the airport.
Yeah, Jerry's here. والله شكلي حضرتك.
Yeah, right.
جدوي جدع.
All right. How are you?
Soon.
This,
Fine. My name is Ömer.
Is that a car speaker?
this guy just threw rose petals on this baby.
Yeah.
He just threw rose petals on this baby. Is that a 6x9?
No battery.
Battery yoke. Battery yoke.
Battery finish.
Oh man, I thought, is that an Alpine? Is it an Alpine?
Car speaker.
Yeah, 6x9.
What kind of music?
Bluetooth telephone.
Okay.
Battery telephone. Power bank. One power bank.
Power bank.
No. Oh my God, very nice.
If you drive away with my power bank, I'm tackling you, just so you know that.
I bet this guy can hotwire a car.
sexy lady. He's like MacGyver.
No, but look at this. Look, he's got the wires. Tamam. There we go. Maniac. There we go. Gonna dance it up.
نمیکنه. ناقص لیمون ناقص عطراش كل نارس نكسر روز الوقت الجد.
Keeping my in contact with you.
Almost 2 years now. Oh, hey, my dear.
Hello.
How are you? We are still going. Hi, nice to see you.
That's the
Yeah.
actress you said?
This is Egyptian goddess. This is Cleopatra.
Hello. Trickster here.
Ice cream.
Also, Maniac's here too. Maniac, say hi. Maniac. Maniac, say hi. You're on the camera.
You are on
Maniac is back, guys. Don't kill issues. Nink, what?
Just turn around. He's
What?
eating a wet burger.
Yeah.
No, film him. Film him.
He also get a wet burger here.
I just turned around. He's eating a wet burger. Oh my god. They're fucking delicious.
Maniac's mukbang. We should watch you eating, man. Do the mukbang shit. Mukbang. Well, he's getting fond of it.
Oh, wow, look at you. There's a fight.
Tamam tam uzak tamam git. Git tamam git sen git sen. Tamam burayı açabilir. Devam et. Devam et sesini.
No more fight. Where's the fight? No more fight. Sure.
As easy as for you to wait.
Yet we got an East Hastings Istiklal.
Great Turkish women. I'm not gonna lie. There's been a lot of attractive women around here.
Oh, you're gonna massage his knee. You're gonna massage him.
Salas and Teskala.
Oh boy.
I
Nice
got-
use of the salicylate.
1 second of a free massage.
So these are all the side streets off of Istiklal, guys, and this is where, like, look, it gets a little more, not sketchy, but a little more fucking lively, you know? There's a little more action going on. There's gonna be somewhere, this is Tarlabasi. This is the street you're supposed to avoid. Yeah, but there's police standing on that corner right there. Those are cops. We have to go down on to Tarlabasi. So this busy road is Tarlabasi. This is where they say to avoid this. And on the other side of the road is the slums of Tarlabasi. Look at that girl just vibing, right? She's fucking down with it. We just walked by some super scandalous. These are like prostitutes and shit, man,
Yeah,
for
they-
sure.
they are.
Yeah, I know, right? Dude, man, give me like a month and they'll be on my speed dial. Right there.
Right there.
And we left Maniac behind. Look,
We left him behind.
look at Maniac wasn't fucking paying attention. Look at him. Stuck over there. Oh, there he
Tercüman
goes.
olduğum için.
All right, how are you guys? Right on, man. Turkey, fucking love it. Turkish meow. Right on, brother. Fucking right. Hilarious. But yeah, these are definitely hookers on the side of the road here. But we definitely walked by a few prostitutes right there too. They were a little bit thick though.
Hey, my friend, how are you?
Merhaba, Nasilson. You can get your hair did at like 1 in the morning. This guy's getting his shit done at like 1 a.m. This is what's beautiful about this country is who said a barber has to be open till fucking 10 o'clock in the morning or 10 at night, you know? Ning, are you paying attention? No, but you know, first sip goes to this guy right here and thoughts and impressions.
All right, this is for you, Ning. The pickle juice.
Exactly, right?
That's not bad. I mean, normally I wouldn't think that I'd want to have that, but you know, I like pickles.
Right,
Not
so
bad.
it's not horrible
No.
though, right? tastes like the inside fixings of a Whopper. Like if you took all the shit that they spile on a Whopper.
Yeah, I get yeah.
Big those onions, bit of that tomato. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know that I could do a whole bottle of that.
That was it. Showgum complete.
All right, there, Shalga, done.
These are all the bumping side roads beside Istiklal, like I told you about, which is where all like the bars and stuff are. Istiklal is just the shopping, but as soon as you step off these side roads, it's definitely a bit shadier. Let's do it. Let's go. Merhaba. Some good riffs though. Oh, and there's a kitty in the bar. What are you doing in here, little kitty? You stay in here. Don't leave. Don't leave, dude.